Hi, this is Madison C from the Philippines, and I'm here in India for traveling purpose, and I'm here to know and to learn their tradition, culture, and their food, and of course, the life here in India. So please stay tuned and for my next chapter of my life here in India. Okay?
Super shop. Kasi umulan ng sobra to. Shop. So, andito po tayo sa Phoenix Market City. Pasok na tayo. Naman.
So, andito tayo sa mall for today's video. Ayan. Phoenix Market City at Chennai, India.
So, ayan. Dito sa Phoenix Market City. Ayan po. So, andito po tayo sa grocery mall. Ayan. Mura po dito sa Smart Bazaar. So, I'm here at Chennai Airport here in India. So, we have our next travel destination. So, here tayo. Ang ganda nga.
Like sweet?
Yes.
Thank you.
So, what's your best cafe now? What's the best frappe you have?
Here CCD shop is a cafe and coffee day shop.
Okay.
And gentlemen, a very good morning. Announcement from flight deck. My name is Vinas Khan. I'm the first officer. On behalf of Captain Kumaravel Pannuswamy and all the crew members, I thank you all for choosing Indigo. We are currently at 38,000 feet, shortly commencing our descent to Pune. Pune is reporting weather with temperature of 23 degrees Celsius. We are expecting to land in about 30 minutes. Thank you for choosing Indigo. Cabin crew prepare for arrival.
So, Tila Balde, pagkuha ng mga pagkain dito sa airport. So, waiting pa lang sa ano natin lobby.